out here on the East Coast, watching a beautiful sunrise. It wasn't every day that I was able to live this type of lifestyle and free myself from the 9-to-5 grind that I want all of you guys watching this to achieve. And it's completely possible in 2018 with the power of e-commerce and Amazon FBA. And to be able to create a life of your dreams and live on your own terms is 100% possible. I want to share that with you guys and invite you guys to my channel, where I have tons of free videos that many people charge for about Amazon FBA and how you guys can start a business like this yourself, selling just random products and physical products online that you probably wouldn't have thought of, that actually make you thousands of dollars per month. And I was able to create full-time income and multiple six figures selling through Amazon FBA and selling products online, and I want that for you guys too. So I'm inviting you to my channel right now. Go ahead, click on the button somewhere over here and go over to my channel, subscribe, watch some videos, ask me any questions in the comments, and I'll be more than glad to answer any questions for you guys about Amazon FBA and living the laptop lifestyle, being able to live in complete freedom and not have to live that 9-to-5 grind every day, and be able to do what you want to do and wake up at whatever time you want, and not be trapped in a cubicle and listen to a boss that you hate, and just be able to live life on your terms, because that's when life truly begins, when you have complete freedom and you're not becoming a slave to your job, trading your time for money, and you understand what's possible, and you open up your mind to what's possible online in 2018 and beyond. Free yourself from the everyday monotony that I was able to break free from, and I want to help you guys too as well. So get over to my channel. I have tons of free videos about Amazon FBA, entrepreneurship, living the laptop lifestyle that I want you guys to see. And a lot of people charge for this type of stuff, and I put it out for completely free just to help you understand what's possible online and get your feet wet and understand what's possible online. So guys, click on the button right here, go over to my channel and subscribe. See you guys over there.